up, guys? I'm George.
I'm Wyatt.
Today we're going to be discussing proper bench technique and how to get you jacked from different variations.
Alright guys, this is the basic bench press exercise. So first, it's going to be on a typical bench with a bar. It's going to start with no weight. So first, George here is going to put his hands equal apart to where he's comfortable on the bar. Some people like to use this space here where you put your pinky, but it's wherever you feel comfortable. So the first thing he's going to do is push straight up, take the bar off the rack, and you're going to feel resistance, and what you're going to do is come straight down to your chest, in line with your pec, and then you're going to push straight back up. And that's one rep of a bench exercise.
As we discussed in that demonstration, hand placement is key on the bar. Many wouldn't think that this would be a major factor for some people not being able to do the exercise, but as you can see in this photo on the right, if you are grabbing the bar that intersects your proximal transverse crease in your hand, which is the one that goes directly diagonal through the middle, it can create external rotation and cause a lot of pain in your wrist and ultimately lead to significant injury. You'll want to make sure that you're holding the bar in line as you see on the left. Another topic we discussed was the activation of the pectoral muscle group during barbell bench press. As you can see from this diagram, the pectorals are the main muscle group being used, and you also see activation in the anterior deltoids and triceps. When the pectoralis major is activated, which is the primary muscle being used in this exercise, you have anterior movement of the arm and shoulder, which allows you to push the weight upward when you're laying horizontally on the bench.
So here's a common misconceptions and errors when you're doing the bench press. First one, a lot of people come down and they won't go down straight to their pec line, they'll go down close to their stomach, which is going to shred your shoulder and you're going to be out for months with injury. The next one is called lopsided, so you have an uneven grip on the bar, and when you go down, you're going to tear up your left or right side depending on if you have a lot of weight. And the third error that a lot of people make is not going down far enough and not locking out on a full rep. This isn't going to be activating your muscle and tearing the muscle as much, and you're not going to see as many gains, which is what we want to see you do. So now we'll move on to a chain variation that we talked about earlier. So for this exercise, it's going to be performed the exact same way as the normal bench press. He's going to lift it straight off the bar with his hands equally placed. But this time he's going to feel a lot more resistance at the top. He's going to have all this chain. He's going to go down and come right back up just like a normal. Now during this, as you go down, the links of the chains hit the ground. So he's losing weight as he goes down. It's going to become easier. Now when you go up, it's an increased concentric contraction or resistance that you need. So as he goes up and holds it, he's going to feel a lot more, and it's going to work your pectoral group a lot more, being as you're adding weight as you're pushing the bar up.
Something else that's important to note is breathing. So when you're doing the eccentric part of the workout, when you're coming down towards your chest, you want to be breathing in, you want to be inhaling, right? When you're going out, when you're going up, you want to be breathing out, right? Because you're pressing, so you want to get that extra force from breathing out, and then it also is helping you control your breathing so you can actually function better, get oxygen to your body, and do the workout properly. So here's what an example of that would look like. So what we're going to do is just going to come right back, lay down, back flat on the bar, feet flat on the floor, right? Just going to lift the bar off. We're going to breathe in. And we're going to breathe out. Just like that. Maybe not that loud, but that's the exact technique you want to remember. And we're breathing out on the way up. Breathing in on the way down. Absolute main points to take away from this video. 1, how to do a proper bench press. 2, common things that people do wrong. And 3, what resistance does to improve your training.
We hope these tips helped you, and hopefully you can utilize them in the gym and just get swole.
Absolutely.